So I wanted to build a list of the top 50 WordPress agencies in the US, in Canada, in the UK, Australia, and clearly promote WordPress services, have active blogs, and likely generate over $1 million in revenue powered by AI research, starting with ChatGPT. And I use its thinking model to go out and start to build this list for me, fully well knowing that it's probably not going to know anything about the annual revenue of a lot of these private WordPress agencies, and really just using that bellwether of the active blog posts to hopefully find agencies that are still in business and could be actively still promoting WordPress. One of the common problems that I ran into with ChatGPT is it wouldn't formulate a lot of this stuff into a JSON file. I knew I wanted to build a browsable app, and I wanted to get it into something that I could, it would be portable to bring to any kind of either like vibe coding app situation, like a Bolt or a Replit, or in this case, I brought it over to Claude in order to build this browsable interface, which I can now share. So I pasted the results into Claude by copying them out of ChatGPT and asked it to build me that JSON file, which Claude did really well and took all of that data, which ChatGPT couldn't do, and formulated that JSON file for me. And then I sort of vibe coded my way to some of that success where I asked it to build out the app that I could share on social media. So it built that for me, and in a sort of nice mobile browsable Tailwind style little app that folks could type in the keyword or the name that they were looking for, and you get a nice little result with the card, social icons, little summary about the agency, and a link to their website. And then when I publish it right inside of Claude, it gives me a link to share on social media. So really cool stuff, fun to do these little research projects with ChatGPT, but also just an example of doing this stuff in multiple LLMs, and also just to see like the varying results. And of course, this doesn't represent all WordPress agencies and freelancers across the world. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.